Hey everyone, are you looking to make your career in finance and accounts and work in Big Fours and top MNCs with a salary package of 6 to 7 lakhs? What if I tell you that you can achieve this dream of yours just within 12 months? Yes, you heard it right. You can pursue CMA USA, that is Certified Management Accounting, a US based certification in management accounting and finance, which is recognized in 150 plus countries. The US CMA course can be completed just in 12 months and has only 2 exams. The beauty of US CMA exams are that 80% MCQ based and only 20% are subjective questions with no negative marking. With US CMA certification in your resume, you can do jobs in various profiles like budget analyst, finance manager, senior accountant, internal controller, risk manager, and other domains in accounting and finance. So, what are you waiting for? Please fill in the details in the below given form and start your CMA USA journey with FPA right now.